guys, today we are at the Ritz Carlton at the Amelia Island, and I am doing a room tour. So come on into the room. Okay, you guys, so now we're inside of the room. This is your foyer area. Nice size foyer. When you first come in, to the left you have these two doors here. They do close all the way. So you just slide it open. On this side you have your two robes. You have some slippers here. Ironing board. Some extra towels if you need some. And then on this side you have a safe. Let's slide it. Come on this side. You have safe, some more storage, and then some storage stuff up there as well. And the door is sliding closed by itself. So I don't know if it's gonna stay closed. And it's not staying closed. So that is a problem because this is not staying closed. There you go. Okay, we got it. Okay, that was not staying closed. But anywho, coming on down, this will be like your little coffee beverage area or wet bar area. Well, not wet bar because it don't have a sink or nothing. But here you have your ice bucket. Our person that brought all our stuff up, he already filled that up. You have your glasses, espresso machine, and then here you just have your coffee, teas, and all of that. The condiments comes in these little things here. And on here, it gives you the prices of everything that's in your refrigerator. And yes, you do have a mini fridge. I'll show y'all the prices of everything. And here are the prices. See if it focus. Then you have these dressers, these drawers here that also are soft close. Well, there we go. Here is your refrigerator. So in the refrigerator you have plenty of drinks to choose from. Of course they do cost. So you have champagne, all of that good stuff, beers, water, candy, plenty of liquor. But what I also like is not only do they provide you with all of this stuff, but if you brought your own stuff, which we did, you have an extra little area over here to put your own things. So that's cool. All right, so that was all to the left. Coming over here to the right, you have a mirror here, and then you have your bathroom. Coming into there, you have your toilet area. It's kind of dim. It does have one little light there, but it is still kind of dim in there. And I'm surprised that it actually does not have a phone in here, because a lot of places like this have a phone in here. And then coming over here to the sink, let's get a whole view of the bathroom area here first. So coming over here to the sink, let's see if there's anything in these dressers. Like we have our dryer here. Nothing's in there. Plenty of towels. And this is your sink. Of course, you have your mirror there. And what is this? This is your Finest bathing soap. So it got green tea and willow in it. So that's that. And then you have some glasses, your mouthwash, and all of that good stuff. You have some hand lotion. So, and that's a full bottle, y'all. I've never been to a hotel that has a full bottle. That is a full bottle. So coming on over, this is your shower. Do not have a rain shower. Just have that and one of these. But here are this is the shower gel, conditioner, and shampoo. Full bottles of that. Decent size shower. Like the cutout right there. That's cute. So that is that. Now let's go back out into the other area. So here is your bed. I am loving how this bed looks. It looks very comfortable, but we will test that out later. This is your nightstand. Shouldn't be anything in here probably. Nope, nothing is in there. And you do give you some complimentary waters. Nice light fixture. Loving the bed and all of that. Coming on over, you have some more drawers, a lot of places to store all of your clothes. If you wanted to put some shoes down there, you could, or whatever else you want to put down there. Nice screen TV. Couch, this is a pull-out couch, I believe. And then nice lights, pictures. And here is the other nightstand. Have your Bible, of course. Telephone, radio, another light, and another seating area. This is probably, you could have like little breakfast if you wanted to, have some room service or anything. And my husband, of course, he's over here making a drink.
You know.
And I've already kicked my shoes off, so I'm not gonna go outside, but y'all can kind of see the view a little bit. Maybe he'll take y'all outside to see what you can actually see. Talk to the people.
People. All right, we coming out here. I ain't going to the edge because I'm scared, but got a little down area there, whatever you call that, sitting area, palm tree. I go to the beach. Go to the beach. Sitting area here. 2 chairs and a table. Nice size balcony too. I go to the beach again for y'all. Right there. I go to walk out. They got a little fire pit right there. Straight ahead there. I don't know how to zoom in, so I can't zoom in for you. But yeah, there you go. Grounds are nice and neat. Nice, neat grounds. It's another little sunbathing area. There might be somebody's balcony though. I don't know. But yeah, I mean, I'll get y'all back to the host with the mostest.
Alright, so I'm going to give y'all another overview of the room. So here's another overview of the room. And that is it. So stay tuned to the end. I will be giving you my final review of the whole hotel. So just stay tuned. And until next time, later.